Welcome back to BRC Boards. Thanks for watching. What I want to do today is show you what was coming up in the future videos. So here's two of the boards I've been making. So here is the design I made on AutoCAD, putting it together, cutting it out. Got it on the piece of scrap wood I had from another project. And this is the board I'm going to put it onto. Glued some cedar together with pine. It had some big old fat spot there and then all that, so I figured this would be a good portion. Still working on the long surfboard looking one here. Really liking the way that one's turned out. Got it sanded down, just got to put another coat on it, so maybe I'll do that here a little bit later. Alright, so this is the board now. I added some thickness to it. I think that one is just a little too thin, so you can see the lines right there where I made that a little bit bigger. But that it is. Pretty sweet looking board already, so I'll get the sander on it. This one, when I glued it up, it kind of had a concave to it, which I just wanted to keep going with it. That's why I'm not doing a planer, and I use the grinder as a sander just to really get it going down. So here is my new logo. If you've seen some of my other boards, you've seen that they got the logo on there. This is the surfboard looking one. I don't know what to call it yet. It's the long and skinny board. But there's the other side of it, and there's my son Liam holding it up. Then we did some testing with it. Held up to it pretty well.